There it is. EMS roll on. We're into program 640668. Here it comes. Oh my god. We should have had the seats. Get the seats. Oh my god. It's shrinking. It's shrinking. Okay. Holy crap. Houston, you trying to kill us? Good lord. Okay, we're almost ending upstream. We'll be turning over again shortly. At least according to the chart here. Yep. Coming in, turning over. Gonna get pushed back into our seats. Okay, we're back up. And it looks like we're coasting that line up. Oh, 666. Keying verb. Recording cross range error is minus 00051 and key release. Sorry, we're supposed to record downrange error. Sweet, excuse me. 00121. Our RCS didn't run out, did it? No, okay. There we go. I was like, we're sort of hovering above where we should be as we're about to skip out, but it's flipping over. Good, good, good. And we're getting pushed back down into our seats again. Yep, here it goes. Ooh, okay. That lunar entry will forever be entertaining. Lord. We're gonna come up on 0667 soon. Or sorry, 1667. 1667. Okay. Going to SCS. And it looks like we do have a negative RTGO, so we roll to lift vector up. Oh, now it's positive. Steam pressure should be pegged. That it is. Passing through 40,000 feet. Performing splashdown check. At 40,000 feet, I can't reach those, but we're going to click those up. So I'll just have that do it for us.
Houston, this Mail radio check.
Less than 30,000. ELS on auto. There went the apex and the drogue. EMS function off.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, all shoot is right. Secondary coolant loop evap off. H2O flow off. Coming up on 10,000. And we've got main chute. It is damn dark out, but we do have the main chute, it looks like. Good. Float bags.
$2,500.
VHF AMA to simplex. Beacon on. Post-landing beacon light to high. And cabin pressure.
Buzz,
Again,
this
I
is
can't really
Houston,
hit those
radio
easily,
check.
so I'll just have the system do that. There we go. Direct O2 open. Command module RCS logic on. Dump valve open.
Roger, Houston, loud and clear.
And purge.
Roger out. Loud and clear, Houston. Roger, Buzz.
Alright, now we can open these back up so that we don't suck in helium. That's why we close those. Alright, circuit breaker, flight post-landing bus. Should be BAT bus A, B, C, main A, main B open at 3,000 feet.
This is Houston, you are go for staging.
I don't know why it's playing random cabin ambiance now, but I'll just turn that off. Beacon light is flashing. Okay. And we are now in breathable atmosphere. That would be snorkel is opening.
1,000.
At 3,000. Open the cabin relief to dump. That's over here. Get this to dump. There we go. Floodlights post-landing. Command module RCS propellant close. Rotational power direct off.
500.
Cabin pressure is increasing with the altitude. Good.
400. 300.
All right, 800 feet.
200.
Close. Main bus ties off.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Splashdown. Alright. Circuit breaker, main pyro. On. And parachute release. Direct O2 valve close.